Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Meta AI on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone. And then I'm going to go to my Instagram direct messages because we can get the AI on our Instagram direct messages. So I'm going to click on this icon to open up the Instagram DM. And then, as you can see guys, this is my Meta AI, and we'll be able to use this Meta AI to ask anything we want. And for your information guys, that not all accounts get this Meta AI on the Instagram direct messages. I think the Instagram give us the Meta AI gradually, so you need to wait for your turn if you haven't got this feature yet on your Instagram direct messages. Okay, and as you can see guys, I have got this Meta AI and I'm going to show you how we can use it. You just need to click on the Meta AI right here, and then you can give prompt to the AI. For example, I'm just going to use the suggested prompt. I'm going to select this prompt. Okay, and the room chat with the Meta AI will be automatically opened, and then you can ask anything to the Meta AI. I'm going to ask AI to generate cat image like this, and you can click on the send button to send the prompt, and the AI will generate image for you. Okay, and this is the result, and you will be able to save it like this, and you'll be able to use this Meta AI on your personal chat or group chat on Instagram. If you want to use it in the personal chat, you just need to open up your personal chat, and you can click on the symbol, and you can ask Meta AI like this, and you need to mention the Meta AI to use it. And if you want to use it on your group chat, you just need to go to your group chat, and then you can click on the symbol and mention the Meta AI. I'm going to click on this option, for example. Okay, like this. Don't forget to mention the Meta AI like this to ask Meta AI to do something for you. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use Meta AI on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.